Okay guys, today is the day that I'm going to show you easy, fast, quick, curly hairstyles, okay? So her hair is already so curly and so cute. So I feel like it would be so cute just to add two little ponies but leave this bang piece out. So I'm just going to take a black rubber band and I'm literally going to just take this back.
Like little Mickey Mouse.
Oh, it's gonna be so cute. And then we're gonna do one more. And then just kind of poof them up so they look tight, but I feel like that is like the cutest thing ever, and it takes 2 seconds. It's like, are you kidding? How cute that is.
Oh my god, it looks like I'm going to Coachella.
That looks so cute. Okay, hairstyle number 2, so easy. You're just gonna take this pony and twist it and literally just put it in like a knot, and then don't make it super tight knot, but then all I'm gonna do is bobby pin that. And then this side, same thing, just twisting it around and just pulling it through and just like bobby pinning it loose. I mean, look how cute that is. Just cute 2 little space buns. Are you kidding me? And it takes 2 seconds. But there's your hairstyle number 2.